Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the new release, which is going to be live this weekend, the 25th of October, and I've got a few new kits here, a few new sizes, a hand-drawn kit, freebies, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to set this part aside and I'm going to start with the new kit size just so that you are aware. So every release I do a mini kit, and in that mini kit there are usually I do the mini kit and the Hobonichi, but now I added a mini happy planner kit. So if this seems to be really popular, a lot of people really like it. It's at a great price point. If you haven't checked out the mini kits, go check them out. Especially when I'm doing a sale like I am right now, these get even cheaper. They're already pretty cheap as it is as far as the price point is concerned, but they get even better. So if you like this kind of artwork, and I would say go check these out for sure. These are really popular. So I added a happy planner size to it to accommodate my happy planner friends. And I'm going to start off with, let's see, I'll start with the Erin Condren one. So this is the one that I've had in the shop for a while. This is the size that I've carried all along. This is the one where the Christmas Cocoa, all of those are this size right here. So this is called Be Joyful, and it's got this really cute little holiday Christmas kitty here, and just like, this is a really cute, bright kit. So here's your page 1, page 2 with your washi with Mr. Happy Kitty, Christmas Kitty with the tree, and then your date covers, your page 3, which has more boxes, tons of boxes. I try to give you as many as I can possibly fit on here, and then your last page with your date dots and your mood tracker, some deco here, little movie marquee, and so on. So those are the 4 pages that come in the mini kit. Like I said, it's a really good price point. So there's that. There's also, if you want to add stuff onto it because you want more, if this isn't quite enough for you, there's an icons page, which totally matches the artwork. All the colors are done to match. And then this is the washi page. So you get lots more washi. So those are add-ons, and you can add that onto both the Erin Condren size and the Happy Planner size. So this is the Happy Planner. Just so you can see, it's basically exactly the same artwork. It's just set up a little bit differently because of size-wise for these boxes, but you've got your full boxes, your quarters and your halves, your washi, another big box here. You've got your dates or your numbers. There's that same box, but with the bigger sizes to fit Happy Planner. And then this is basically the same page with your deco and your this week, next week's, today's, tomorrow's, movie marquee, and some more scripts. And again, you can add on washi and icons to this. And then this is the third kit that I do with the same artwork, and this is the Hobonichi Weeks. So this page here has all your icons, scripts, and your numbers. This one here has all of your decorative boxes, your date covers. This is that big long strip that goes down the side. Whole bunch of boxes. Stuff that you use it all, don't use it all. Here's the washi strips, notes page. These are washi strips as well. Some more boxes and flags. So that is the Hobonichi in this same artwork. So I will set this one off to the side and we will move on to the next one. So next one I'm going to do, I think I'll do Christmas Story. So when you go to the Etsy store, one of the things I want you to do is to check out each one of these. So when you go to new releases, each one of these will be under new release. Under the new release, each one of these is going to be, I'm not exactly sure how it's going to be put up there, so just go to new release, and then as you see the artwork on the outside, there'll be a drop-down box on the inside of that. So when you click on the listing, there'll be a drop-down box, and it will have the different sizes that it's available for as far as your planner is concerned. So this is the Happy Planner version, but it is horizontal. It's also available for the Erin Condren size. I just only am bringing one of each in here because I don't want to, we'll be here all day. So this one is called Christmas Story. You're probably familiar with this one. I've seen it a few times, but I wanted to give my own twist on it right here. So this little cutie guy, I don't know if you guys have seen this, if everybody's seen this movie. I know a lot of people have seen it, but this is such a cute movie, and it's very nostalgic, reminds me of when I was a kid. We used to watch this all the time. And I actually haven't seen it in a while, so this kit made me want to watch it again. But here you got all your full boxes and your half boxes right here. I added this box in so that you have the Monday through Sunday in case you want to track something. You've got your tracker here. Here's all of your washis, your date cover, your date dots, more of the big boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, your deco, weekend banner. This is your washi, this is individually, it's all scroll type. These two on the top. It's really cute. This looks really cute on. Here is your full sidebar if you want to use that. More of the deco, and then your canceled, not today's, nope, not going to do it. And then this is your page with your mood trackers and all that good stuff on it. So this is a 6-page kit. All of the regular size kits are 6 pages. The mini kits are 4 pages unless you add on the other 2, which doesn't, it's still not the same as a 6-page kit. Next, let's see what we're gonna do next. Okay, we're gonna do this one because this one's super cute. This is like a watercolor. It's very soft colors, very, very Christmassy. It's called Berry Christmas. It's very cute. Here is your page 1, and this is the Erin Condren version of it, but like I said, horizontal and Happy Planner are also available. Here is your washi strips and your date covers. I think it's just really pretty. It's such a pretty kit. Here's your notes page and your canceled, not today's. Lots of deco, really cute deco. This page here has your tracker. Like I said, I added a tracker to all of them. They'll just kind of be different places, your washi strips, date dots, and your icons. This page has more full boxes, half boxes, and quarter boxes. And then this is your page with your today's, tomorrow's, next week's, and some scripts. So there is that 6-page kit, and this is the Erin Condren sized for Berry Christmas. This one here is adorable. This one is called Happy Christmas, and this is the Happy Planner sized one. I didn't bring the horizontal one in because I had printed all of these off in the sizes that I'm going to be using in Plan With Me's, so this is why this is, you're not going to see a horizontal, but you've seen them before. They're in the shop, and you'll see them in the drop down. So this one has this really cute Santa. It's another one that is hand-painted watercolor. Very, very, very cute. And here he is doing all kinds of different things. That is your page 1. Your page 2, this one I used a lot of gold glitter in it because I just thought that went really well. All of the boxes are, I don't know how well you can see it, but they're all got the gold glitter behind them. Here's another full box here. Your washi. This page, here's your tracker again, and some more of your boxes, your full boxes. And then this page, I'm not gonna keep telling you what they are, you already know what they are, but this one is another one like the other one that I showed you here, where these are the swirly type of washis. Lots of deco, weekend banner, full. So in the Happy Planner, it's a full-sized, comes all the way from top to bottom of that notes section, and then your icons. And then that is the Happy Planner version of Happy Christmas. And then now let's get into like the freebies and all that. So I have a few. This is the Everybody Gets. So if you order during the sale, everybody gets this one here. And it's got little gnomes. It's just really cute. Home Sweet Home. These are all stickers, and then they're in this little house because this little set right here just is very Home Sweet Home to me. So that's what this is. These hearts are also cut out, the gnomes, everything here. So that's an everybody freebie. This one, so you know my shop always has free shipping 35 and over. This one here is a foiled card, and this is done in rose gold. And this one will be available to $40 or more. This one will be added in. This is so cute. I think it's so cute. So there's that one. This goes in everybody's. This is the Harvest Blessings. So this is my own artwork, and on the back is your November goals. So you've got your November 2020, November goals, I'm going to achieve this by, and then the mini goals and each one of the weeks that's in here. So this goes in everybody's order. And then this one is my hand-drawn kit. The first one I've ever done, and I had a lot of fun doing it. So this is my Thanksgiving one, which is why it's coming out this week, because I want to make sure if you actually want to purchase this and use it around Thanksgiving, then you will get it in plenty of time. So here is your page 1, and it is also a mini kit. There's only 4 pages, and then there's also, I didn't print them out. I don't know why I didn't print them out. You'll see them on the Etsy shop, but there's washi strips and icons that go with this as well. So here are all of your full boxes, and this Pip baking a pie. Here's Frankie sitting and drinking his pumpkin latte with Morty laying down by the couch. I hand drew all of this. Here's this card right here is in the middle, but minus the Harvest Blessings. here, a little fireplace with the friends and family gather here, and then this little scripts here. So that's page 1. Page 2, I thought this was a really cool washi. I like that whole plaid thing with the fall. One of my pumpkin muffins here, cupcakes, sorry. Here's all your dates. Here's your other page with lots of other boxes, and this one here with the love in the middle and some more of that. And then this is your final page with some more of the deco, numbers, and all that good stuff. So this is the 4-page, this is the hand-drawn kit. That will be also available in the shop. So just to go over it one more time. Oh, one more thing is that if you spend $60 or more, you get to pick between the Happy Planner mini kit or the Erin Condren mini kit, and then you get it for free. So you've got everybody free gets this right here. 35 and over is free shipping. 40 and over gets this right here, and 60 and over you pick between if you want the Happy Planner version of the mini kit or the Erin Condren version of the mini kit, but you get a free 4-page mini kit. So that's 60 and over, and all of this will be on a little infographic on my Instagram. So, and then all of these will also be being kind of flashed out on my Instagram throughout the week. So just to kind of get in up towards the sale time, because this video is actually not going to go live until the night before the sale. So you will start seeing sneak peeks of this long before you've seen this video. So this shouldn't be too new to you, but I hope you guys enjoy this release. I'm getting ready for Black Friday. So I've got another hand-drawn kit coming out on Black Friday. And then I've got a ton of other kits that'll be coming out, so there'll be a little bit of a break between now and then to get ready for Black Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a fabulous week, and I hope to see you at the sale, and I will, yeah, see you and update you on Instagram. Have a great week. Bye-bye.